Hey, what's going on YouTube? Techlos back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Logitech G29. Super excited to get this thing going. I've been wanting to do some racing with the race wheel and the shifter on my new PC. Also, long-term plans is to build a racing simulator, but we'll take it one step at a time. So the G29 is made for PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 / PC. There is a G920 which is made for the Xbox One / PC, but I chose to go with this one. It was on sale, got a great deal for it, and since I'm using it on the PC, it really does not matter. This G29 wheel does have dual motor force feedback, so you feel every weight shift and tire slip. It's really got good quality construction, so it's race ready materials that can handle it. It can basically handle it all. It's got helical gearing with anti-backlash, so you get tight, smooth, precise control. Easy access game controls on the wheel itself. And then it's got the response floor pedal unit, so it's adjustable for your maximum control. And like I said, it mounts securely to those racing sims, so we'll look at one of those in the future. 900-degree steering, and it does work with this driving force shifter attachment, so I got that. These shifters are designed for the G29 and the G920, like I said. It's got really good quality construction, 6-speed shifter with push-down reverse. And again, it has that secure mounting for your desk or for the sim itself. So we'll go ahead and get into this unboxing here. I've been, like I said earlier, I've been planning this out for a long time, kind of plotting in the background, budgeting for it, and the time has come, right? I got my 4K monitor and my Core P3 build that I've shared with a lot of people on here, so it's ready to go. So we'll go ahead and get this unboxed. We got your power cord coming out of the box here first. It's got a little transformer on it, but it's got that laptop type transformer, which I like. I don't like big husky ones that plug into the wall. Some paperwork here. We'll go ahead and get the pedal unit out first. So pulling it out of the box right away, it's got a good weight on it. It is plastic, but it seems to be high quality plastic. Metal pedals, so you got your pedal, your shifter, your brake. But it's got some good weight on it, so it seems like it's going to be cool when it's on the ground, and hopefully it won't move around and stuff once we get it going. Here is the wheel itself, as well. It's got some good weight. We'll go ahead and put that to the side and check the box, but it looks like that is all that's in there. So when I was picking out this wheel, I was looking at some others. This is the successor to the G27, which is no longer made, but very classic wheel. And I was concerned about the size of it. I wanted a wheel. Some of them have a bigger steering wheel, like the Thrustmaster. But weighing out the pricing and all that stuff, I went with this one. And now that I have it here, it's perfect. I'm a big guy, 6'2", 250 plus, so it definitely works for me. So that's a good thing. So if you're a small person, it's going to probably be a little bigger to you. So get this plastic off here. PS4 emblems. Got your PS4 buttons on the front. Again, totally works with the PC, so that's awesome. So we'll check out this shifter. Compared to the G27, which again is the classic one, the G27 shifter had this Coleco look to it. If you guys know retro gaming and the accessories that came with the ColecoVision, and I really like that. And I felt like this one looked smaller, and I was concerned that maybe the quality wasn't there. But after doing some research, it's basically the same shifter. It's the only part of the setup that I know that kind of feels a little bit toyish. But you can put an adjust, and when I say toyish, it's the pull. They made it to where you can shift like so. I mean, you can flick it with your finger and it'll shift. So there is an adjustment bar that you can buy that makes the weight pull on it a little bit more stronger to be more accurate. But out of the box, again, plastic. This one's a little bit more lighter, but once it's mounted to your sim or to your desk or to a table, it's going to be securely locked in, and I think it's going to be fine. So super excited. Again, like I said, gonna get this thing set up on my desk upstairs in my room where my build is, and I already secured my desk down so it would work proper and I wouldn't have no movement. So yeah, gonna get this thing set up, you know, do some testing. I do have a bunch of racing games. I got Project Cars 2, iRacing on Steam. This thing does work with games like Forza and stuff like that. I'm not sure if you could shift in those games, but I know that it does work. So definitely going to be playing those. Those games are super fun, but I really am going towards the realistic driving simulator games. So probably start out with Project Cars 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and look forward to that full review. See you guys next time.